COVID-19 pandemic, we saw a worldwide digital transformation. In India also, almost all the organizations adopted work from home since the national lockdown last year. Traditional work operations got replaced by work from home and digitalization. That's why we need a proper legal and regulatory framework regarding non-traditional work modes because they are the future. There have been some recent developments in labor codes in India regarding work from home. Draft Model Standing Orders for Service Sector 2020 provides rule of conduct for workers in industrial establishment having more than 300 workers. It states that an employer can provide work from home facilities to employee if both the parties have agreement on it on predetermined basis. But there is no proper work from home framework and guidelines which can create issues in its implementation and can create compliance burdens on different sectors. Code of Social Security 2020 defines home-based work as work done at employee's home or residence, but it does not provide proper definition regarding work from home or remote works. Under Occupational Safety, Health and Working Conditions Code 2020, establishment is introduced as a place where employee work, referring it as a physical space. The ambit of this definition needs to get broadened as almost all people are working from home right now, so that safety and health of workers can come into the ambit of work from home policies. We also know that due to pandemic, the employees' compensation and wages have been degraded a lot and people have lost their jobs. That's why we need a proper guidelines and framework under Code of Wages Act 2019 so that people can be provided with proper wages and compensation while working from home. The International Labour Organization have released a report on work from home and concern regarding it. The report talks about and emphasizes the role of government and work from home policies for the protection of employees. The report also talks about gender responsive legal framework for equal treatment of employees. A very widely used term for work from home, telework, is nowhere mentioned in the guidelines given by the government. Countries like Spain, UK, New Zealand, Australia have adopted several recommendations like the wages or flexibility of the work from this report, which is published by International Labour Organization. Due to the pandemic, work from home has become reality all around the world. In India, proper guidelines and framework are needed regarding flexibility of work, compensation for the employees, data protection and health and safety of the employees so that it can help in meeting the needs and requirements of both employees and employer in the most balanced manner.